It's the end of March, which means it's finally time to start hiking again, or at least spend some time in the great outdoors. Somehow I got this idea to visit multiple lakes in Tirol, so we decided to start right away. Plus, the weather was nice and it also served as motivation. Hello! We are starting our hiking season in this year. Yay! So the idea is to find some lakes in Tirol worth visiting, apart from Achensee that we already visited. The problem is they are all a bit difficult to reach by public transport or on foot, so ideally if you have a car it will be much easier and much faster. We don't have a car, so we're using public transport. Just note that buses and villages don't go as often as one might want. And we're starting our series of lakes with Möserer See in Telfs, or near Telfs at least. Ideally you should reach Telfs and come to this bus station and take bus number 434 that goes to Seefeld, or theoretically you can visit it also from Seefeld, since the bus goes to Seefeld. From the bus station it should be like a 20-minute hike or something like that. In any case, try to, wear adequate clothing and shoes to make the most of your experience. On our way to the first lake, we came across a huge bell. Every day at 5 p.m. the sound of the bell rings out deep into the Inn Valley as a symbol of good relations between neighbors and peace. The hike to the lake wasn't too long or difficult. There are a couple of trails that you can take, and here it is, the Möserer See. Despite its high elevation, Möserer See is known for its surprisingly warm water, reaching up to 25 degrees Celsius in the summer, making it one of the warmest lakes in the region. Covering an area about 3.5 hectares with a depth of 11 meters, the lake provides an idyllic setting for relaxation and outdoor activities. Visitors can enjoy swimming in its clear waters, hiking along the picturesque trails that encircle the lake, or simply soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. The area is rich in wildlife, with various fish species, water birds and alpine flora adding to its charm. During the winter month, Möserer See often freezes over, transforming into a serene winter wonderland. The snow-covered landscape and the stillness of the frozen lake create a magical setting for nature lovers and photographers. Easily accessible by a short hike from Möserer See Wildsee, the lake is a perfect destination for those seeking a quiet retreat in nature, away from the bustling tourist spots. Actually, we were planning to visit only one lake, but we noticed that there is another one quite close to Möserer See. It's situated in Seefeld and can be reached either by the same bus or on foot, since there is a hiking trail.
We are in Olympiaregion in Seefeld, and here is another lake, as the name suggests. So the region is famous for its sports, obviously, if it's an Olympic region. So if you are looking for a place to cross-country ski, that's the place to be. And also they seem to have pretty nice ski slopes. If you are more into mountain ski, the lake is still a bit frozen, but it's only the beginning of spring.
Seefeld in Tirol is home to the beautiful Wildsee, a small yet charming lake that adds to the region's picturesque alpine landscape. Located at an altitude of around 1,180 meters, Wildsee is easily accessible from the center of Seefeld. The lake covers a modest area, but is surrounded by stunning mountain scenery and lush forests, creating a peaceful retreat for nature lovers. A well-maintained walking path encircles the lake, offering a relaxing stroll with breathtaking views. Wildsee is home to various bird species including ducks and swans, as well as fish, making it a great place for wildlife observation. In summer, visitors can enjoy leisurely walks, picnics, and even light water activities, while winter transforms the lake into a serene, snow-covered landscape. By the way, if you are planning to go to Innsbruck by train afterward, don't hesitate to sit on the right hand side for magnificent views. And do you know any other beautiful lakes or hiking trails in the region? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.